Hello everyone, Alex here again from Porsche Centre Dublin, just presenting our stunning 2004 Porsche Boxster S 3.2 litre flat 6. Here's the car finished in lovely Atlas grey metallic paint. You've got the front headlights there at the front, your Porsche badging. Bumpers there at the front as well. Spec on this car is actually quite nice. So it's a 3.2 litre flat 6, 260 brake horsepower, manual transmission. 178,000 kilometers on the car, Atlas grey metallic, partial leather seats in Metropole blue. 5 previous owners, 18-inch Carrera wheels, automatic air conditioning, both surround sound system, CD storage, coloured wheel centers there as well in the centre, heated seats, electronic lighting system, onboard computer, and then you got your top tinted windscreen as well. Give a quick look around it. The car's in immaculate condition, it's not a mark or scrape on the car. And you've got your red brake calipers there as well. It's a soft top convertible, and the soft top's kind of a navy blue colour. This car's been fully restored as well, so no expense has been spared to restore this car, so have it as fresh as possible. You've got the Boxster S badging there as well. You've got this like boot lid spoiler which pops up and down as well. Your exhaust there in the centre, and then your rear headlamps as well. You can see all the wheels are in perfect condition. Quick look inside the car then. So you've got the lovely Metropole blue leather seats as well. Same as the 911 Carrera 4S next to it. Then you've got this Porsche steering wheel here. You've got a 6-speed manual gearbox as well. You've got your lights and wipers there. And then you've got your dials as well. Electric boot release as well. And you've got electric seats. So you can adjust it yourself electronically. Lovely material here in the back, and you've got this kind of rear windscreen. Obviously you got radio and telephone, all the rest as well, and you do have satellite navigation as well as your air conditioning and your heating as well, and electric windows, and then heated seats in the front. So it is a nice spec car anyway, and the roof's all electronic. Petrol cap cover that side, and then you got your other alloy wheel there as well. This car comes fully serviced and fully restored. It also comes with a one of our classic warranties, which covers engine and gearbox. It also comes fully valid and cleaned as well. If you have any questions or you'd like to inquire for further information on the car or take it for a spin, give ourselves a call on 01235 3375. That's 01235 3375. And you can ask for Alex, that's myself, Alex Collins, and I'll happily look after you in the purchase of your next car. Hope you enjoy the video tour and have a nice day. Thanks very much. Cheers, take care.